guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to create this cool ash blonde hair color. The shades that I'm going to be using are T18 and 050, and they both are from Wella's Color Charm line, and as well as a 10 volume developer. So I'm basically going to empty the contents of T18 into my mixing bowl, and taking that empty bottle, I'm going to use this as a measuring cup for my 10 volume developer. So basically it is a 1:2 ratio, so 1 contents of the shade and then 2 contents of the developer. So I'm going to be using that and pouring that into my mixing bowl. And once I've poured that in there, I'm just going to give it a good mix. And once it's somewhat combined, I'm going to take the 050 and I'm going to add that as well into the mixture, but I'm only going to use half of the bottle. And as I'm pouring it, I'm just checking to see if I've emptied about half of the contents into the bowl. So that's why I'm kind of stopping and checking and stopping and checking. And then I'm going to go ahead and just mix the whole thing together until everything is nice and combined and has a nice creamy consistency. First things first, I'm going to just brush out my hair to remove any of the knots on my hair. And then I'm also going to make sure that I have a t-shirt that you don't care about. So like always, I'm always going to start at the bottom of my hair first. So I'm going to clip the rest of my hair up, and I'm going to start at the bottom. So I'm going to split the section in half, bring it to the front, and then I'm going to just start painting the toner onto my hair. And then I like to take a comb and brush that section out just to make sure that the toner has gone on my hair evenly. And then to help me make sure that I've got the back of my hair all covered, I'm going to be flipping around and using another handheld mirror to make sure I have brushed the product onto all parts of my hair at the back. So as I move forward, I'm basically going to be doing the same thing, bringing down a new layer and then just brushing it out, putting the product on there and taking the comb and brushing it out as well, just to make sure everything is fully saturated and evenly blended on there. So I'm just gonna keep continuing that until I reach the top of my head. So enjoy watching me paint the color on my hair, guys. So this is basically the technique that I always use. I know that there are other techniques on how people like to tone their hair or color their hair, where they split their hair in 4 and then just apply it on the middle parts and they just work from there. But this is just something that I've been doing for years, and it's just something that works for me and that I'm kind of used to. So I like to stick to the method that I'm used to. Maybe in the future I'll try out the other methods that other professionals use, but you know, again, I want to put a disclaimer out there that I am not a hair professional. I've just been doing my own hair for years. It's just something that I'm more comfortable doing on my own because I know what I like. But again, if you guys are doing your hair or want to do your hair, you're not used to it, please go seek a professional just in case. Don't use my word for it. I'm just sharing with you guys how I personally do my own hair. But if you have any concerns or anything like that, please do seek professional help. But if you are comfortable enough to do your own hair, by all means, try it out and hopefully it works out for you guys. Alright, so now that I have applied most of the color onto my hair, the tops of my hair, I just have the rest of my ends to complete. So I'm just going to grab my hair as you guys see here, and I'm going to just start brushing the product on. And again, with my comb, I'm going to go through my hair with the comb to make sure that all the color has spread out evenly on there. And once that is all done, I'm going to give it again one last comb, and I'm going to clip the hair up and let that set for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to wash it out and style it. And here, guys, is the completed look. I have to say that I liked how the color turned out. I know that my hair was not light enough to achieve that light blonde ashy shade and maybe a little bit of the gray that I wanted, but this is perfect for what I have to get rid of the brassy tones that I previously had on my hair. So if you like this color and your hair is similar to mine, hopefully you guys try this method out. So that is about it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and hope you guys follow me on my social media pages. I will have everything here on the screen and on my description box down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified to when I have a new video posted. Alright, that is about it, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!